Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wibbly Wobbly Harley Boy here. Just thought I'd fill you in on what the plan is for this weekend. I would normally have been going to a motorcycle rally with the rest of the club, which is this one here. If you can see that, Storming the Castle. It's held at Witton Castle and there's normally about 3,000 people that attend. But due to COVID and that this year, obviously that's been knocked on the head. So we've got to find alternative things to do. So the plan is for this weekend to do a little bit of camping on my mate's land. Should be a good laugh. Got plenty of layers on and it is a bit warm. So anyways, I'll catch up with you later. See you in a bit. So you don't have to be afraid every time I stick a camera in your face, yeah? Just part of the weekend. It's just part of the fun. And the fun begins. That's it. Sheep. Doggy! Doggy! Okay, now that's a big step. Smell bacon. Look at this guy. Oh, he's a big lad. Look at the size of them nuts. Feeding time for the piggies. What's the plan then, Ian?
Sorting males from females.
Yeah.
Putting the males inside to fatten them up.
Uh-huh.
And taking the females back out to the field to fatten on grass.
Sweet.
And then taking the texels off them as well and sorting them males from females.
Brill.
So, yeah.
Let's crack on.
Yep, let's do it.
After spending most of the day getting everything sorted for Ian and getting all his jobs done, we had this one last batch of sheep to chase down to the field. The only problem is Lottie kept chasing them the wrong way and trying to get them through gates that she shouldn't really have gotten them through. So we kept having to slow down and stop and wait for Lottie to catch up until she got it right. Then it was off to get ready to camp for the night. Pissing down, and now I'm driving the gator with the trailer on, bringing some wood for the fire tonight. Winner.
See our little place for tonight.
Where are we looking? Yeah.
You can see the little hut.
Ah, right, yeah. Just in that field?
Yeah, it's all like there's a little field in
where
between
the
all the trees.
Where the trees are?
Yeah, if you follow...
Oh, fucking hell, yeah, see, even further up.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
That's where we're going.
So Ian was just saying where we were, just you can see the cabin that we're going to be staying in tonight. Unfortunately, the GoPro zoom's not that great, so I don't think I'm going to be able to show it you from here. We'll see when we get closer. A river crossing. Too good, did it? Clunk. Left me for dust on that bike, like fucking 12 miles an hour. Slow ass gator. So much for chopping our own wood, eh? Squeaky bum time. Do you want me to get out and watch you through?
Yeah, fucking shit. You know when you go through
Pissed
like
it.
that?
Fucking pissed it.
You know when you go through, you don't look back, you just keep going. And then you better add case of fucking tyres.
There it is. What's that horror film? Cabin in the Woods. Shh, listen, what's that?
Fuck off, you know.
Signs of witchcraft. How fucking awesome is this? Camp beds and everything. How awesome is this?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Ian's already started the fire.
Hell yeah. Some of that dry wood.
Did you use a firelighter?
I did.
That's cheating.
Oh, give it to
Nice little beverage selection for tonight. The Bushcraft fridge, box of bud, and the Desperados, which Ian's just about to get. Show me your happiest Desperado face. Barnacastle eye test, or a Clockwork Tangerine. Yeah, let's go with that one. Beer number 2. Hola, Espanol, Desperados. Is the fire good enough yet?
Huh?
Is the fire good enough yet?
keep it going a bit
The fire marshal is doing his job.
Gotta keep warm.
That's it, mate. Where's your beverage?
I need one. Do you want one?
I'll have another one, yeah, fuck it. I don't know, let's take just a random one. Anything. You pick. Put your hand in, just pull one out. Still not finished this one yet. Ah, boring.
I'll have that one.
That one's for later.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got one of
Just
yours?
grab us a random can. And try not to spill it this time. Just fucking knocked my orange drink over earlier.
Have a Mr. Cummins.
I'd had 2 sips out of it. Ooh, check out the Barnacastle eye test. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Bit of steak seasoning. Yeah. Gotta do both sides, obviously. Just rub that in a little bit. Nice. Got a load of onions too. Et voila. Actually got the Arga on the go at the minute. I'm going to be cooking the steak on there. Just waiting for it to heat up a little bit. It's lovely. Got the Ridge Monkey on there. I'm going to cook the steaks in there. It's going to be lush. Yeah. Steak and onion on the Ridge Monkeys on the Arga. Steak's coming on lovely. Warming the baguettes on top of the onions. Don't let anybody tell you you can't make fantastic food when you're camping. Granted, we had an Arga, but you know, still could have done it on my stove. Is there not a load of logs down the side of the house that are all cut to the right size?
These are dry.
Eh?
These are dry. I'm fucking knackered, though.
Come on, you pussy. Ooh, oh, Jesus Christ. Fingers. You can tell a man that always likes to work hard.
Yeah. I want to hold the fucking camera.
Hey, this is art. Watch your fingers, man. Got the technique down now. I think he might have blunted my blade.
It was fucking blunt to fucking start with. Fucking.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay.
Did it work on that side or not?
No. No.
I thought I'd got the blunt side there.
No, that's the sharp side. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how not to chop wood.
Give a minute.
He needs to sit down now, he needs a rest. After Ian had finished cutting wood for the Arga, we sat down and had a few more beers. And then a few more beers. And then a few more beers. And before I knew it, it was bedtime. The night had just got away from us. So I opened the doors to go inside the house, and this waft of hot air hit me in the face. Ian had been stoking the Arga all night. It was like a Swedish sauna. So I got into my sleeping bag, and before I could even say goodnight to Ian, he was flat out. The life of a farmer, eh? Coffee time. Bacon for breakfast on the go. Again in the Ridge Monkey. Gonna love it. What do you reckon, Ian?
I fucking can't wait.
Look at the view. So, just heading home after the one night's camp in the cabin. What a night it was, fantastic. Food was good, beers were good, the company was fantastic. We had a fire, kept us nice and toasty. This morning I made us some bacon cobs, bacon buns, bacon tea cakes, whatever you call those round bread rolls. Yeah, so I made us some of those with bacon and some ketchup. It was lovely. So after having the steak baguettes last night, which was and then having bacon this morning, proper feel like I've had the lap of luxury. A couple of coffees and that, and then two of Ian's girls came down to meet us, packed everything up, just came away really. Ian's got another fairly busy day on the farm. My plan is to basically go home and have a bath, a well-deserved bath, covered in cheap shit from yesterday. So yeah, I'm going to have a good soak in the bath for an hour or so. Got a bit of invoicing to do for work, and then I'm going to do a bit of editing, because getting a bit behind at the minute. Just had a busy week, you know, and I've just really not had a chance to do much editing at all, and I'm getting, like I say, I'm getting a bit behind with it. I've still got the fourth part of Land's End to John O'Groats to come out. I've got exhaust gasket video, instructional video coming out. Got some footage of when we went down to Brighton as well, which was quite cool. Me and the wife doing a job down there, and the weather was lovely, and the first time I've ever been to Brighton, so the pier was pretty cool. We had some nice donuts and just sort of relaxed again, really. Trying to make the most of it, you know, since COVID and that, being able to get out and actually visit restaurants and places where you can actually enjoy yourself, you know, and so yeah, that's some of the stuff that's up and coming. If you're enjoying the content, like I say, hit the subscribe button, the like button, bell notification, all that crap. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.